So if you followed the Next Bite over the last several years, obviously we've filmed shows on a lot of different baits, a lot of different bodies of water, but you've probably heard of the Berkley Finisher. And I wanted to spend some time covering it, that bait specifically, a little bit more detailed and a little bit more in the developmental process of when we were actually designing this bait along with that team down at Spirit Lake and kind of what we were going for. And then talk about all the different sizes that are now available in it, because there's 2 new sizes as of just several months ago that some people might not even know are available to them, and where each of those sizes may be a good choice for your fishing. Whether you're fishing for walleyes, for perch, for crappies, doesn't really matter because this bait catches all of them. The first thing I'll talk about in general is the category that I would kind of, I guess, briefly put the Finisher in is a glide bait category. So over the last many years of walleye fishing, people are very familiar with, say, baits like a jigging Rap or a shiver minnow, and those are glide baits. Those always were baits that dart side to side a lot. You know, some of them have different hook setups on, but basically a bait that's kind of a reactionary bait where you can work a side to side action on the bait to get a fish to commit. And that was one of the things that we wanted to target with the Berkley Finisher, is putting a bait that has that similar action. It's definitely not the same, but something where we could upgrade the components of a bait where you're not worried about fins breaking off, and you're not worried about hooks being positioned in the wrong location, and you're not worried about necessarily only being able to fish bottom related fish or fish close to the bottom. We wanted to have a bait that fit those attributes that those baits do, but also be able to fish suspended walleyes in the water column, or when you get to the smaller size Finisher, maybe suspended crappies in the water column. And that's kind of where we landed with the Finisher. Many of you know what it looks like. It looks, I guess, kind of nothing like those other baits, those glide style baits that I talked about in the past. No fin on the Finisher, 2 treble hooks, and the beauty about the 2 treble hooks is just simply for hookup percentages, right? A lot of those other style baits might have a single hook out the back and 1 small treble on the belly. They're all different depending on what you're looking at. But this bait specifically doesn't really necessarily look like a glide bait, but you get that erratic side-to-side action when you're popping this bait. Now, these baits in general, obviously depending on the size, you know, when we go all the way up to the largest one, that's roughly about a 1 ounce bait, so they sink pretty fast, but you're able to hover these baits in the water column higher. So a lot of you are familiar with the bait, so what I want to do more so is cover the different sizes that are available to you and talk to you a little bit with each size where you might be able to fish this and have the most success. So when we look at the original Finishers that came out, there was a 5, a 7, and a 9. The 9 was definitely, for us, being walleye anglers that fish on the Great Lakes a lot, the most popular size. We were fishing deeper water, we were fishing suspended fish. When we're on the Great Lakes, a lot of the fish are bigger, so we wanted that larger profile to get down there a little bit quicker. But now, after the 5 and 7 and 9 have had such great success and caught so many different species of fish around the country, Berkley just several months ago came out with actually 2 new sizes. The size number 4, so a little guy right here, and then the size number 10, which is something that we were really asking for in the walleye world. But let's cover the size number 4 just a little bit here. Obviously it's very little, doesn't weigh a lot, but this is a bait that has been very, very popular in its just short life term of maybe perch fishing or crappie fishing, or even guys this ice season that just got over have had very good success fishing for different species, panfish, things like that, through the ice with this number 4. So even though it's little, you still get that nice side-to-side action with little pops of the rod. So very, very cool little bait. The 5, one of the most popular sizes for the last couple of years, is still a great bait for different species of fish. Maybe you're fishing shallow weed edges, things like that. Obviously, this isn't a bait that I'm gonna throw in the thickest of weeds, but if you can find weed pockets or weed edges that are shallow, say maybe 5 feet to 8 feet of water roughly, this 5 is a fantastic size. It's a very good length that's gonna mimic a lot of the forages in some of those inland lakes that you're gonna fish with smaller minnows, things like that, and you're gonna get a lot of bites from different species on this 5. When it gets up to the 7's something that I would use in somewhat of the similar scenarios that I would use the 5 in. Weed edges, water say under 12 feet or less, or even in shallower water on windy days. That's one of the things you want to pay attention to with this finisher also, is if it's a little bit windier, this 7 doesn't sink like an absolute rock, so you're able to cast it better in the wind and still fish very precisely in shallow water with a size 7 like this. So great choice there as well. The 9 I've already talked about a little bit for the last 2 or 3 years. It's the bait that a lot of us as walleye anglers on a lot of different bodies of water have grown very fond of. There's been a lot of money on the NWT1 on this exact number 9 finisher bait from guys that actually are not affiliated with Berkley. Everyone's using this bait. It's just a fantastic choice for a lot of different lakes. And then when we get up into the new size that I just talked about, the 10, this is a bait that we were asking for in terms of fishing for deeper walleyes, when you're talking 25 feet or deeper walleyes. So there's a lot of scenarios where we might be fishing over 70 feet of water and those walleyes are 30 to 35 feet down or even deeper. That's where we're using the 10. It's got a faster sink. You can still hover and pop that bait above a fish, even in those deeper, after those deeper suspended fish. But you just have so many different options now with this finisher lineup. The 4, the 5, the 7, the 9, and now the 10 as well too. So not just a great walleye bait, catches bass, catches panfish, catches everything under the sun, and the color options are endless. Definitely pay attention. There's going to be more colors coming out in the finisher, but I believe right now it's at like 20 different color options. Some really good walleye colors, some really good natural colors, all in this finisher line to catch you as many fish as possible, whether you're a walleye angler, a bass angler, or a panfish angler. Check these Berkley finishers out.